Three Kumasi Asante Kotoko players have been confirmed out of the next game at Kotoko Ebebo against Brekum Chelsea Basso in the match day 30 Ghana Premier League. Yes, players see out of the game penny for a confirm me. A didn't players see out of this particular game. Details and more. Ewaha ikraye yede bro ewufia pacha waha is super 24 TV unsubscribe ya wadaruma na wa hit the red subscribe button na wabado mano sorry I build it together information we ase tohwa na e the bro quickly players miensa ye kan omo ho asemi the odi kan no the goalkeeper of the side which is Frederick Asare out of the game. Yes, according to information and penny for I will no. Now man for my reason be say omo game eda kotoko anim next two games which is across of folk no and omo pese omo yesa na omo pese omo kwakobo Brekum Chelsea de ni bi na nka eduru has de na omo ye full ready na omo de abebo but it is not the reason. Yes, it is not the reason. In team menu on also out of the game, which is Brekum Chelsea game, no. And then Justice Blaze there. Once a Kotoko, any Legon cities are born or Barbara Sports Stadium, no. Because of cash accumulation, no out into our return. Then Enoch Morrison on also out of the game. Now the reason why into these three players, Frederick Asare, Enoch Morrison, and in team menu echo out of Brekum Chelsea encounter no basically because of accumulated yellow cards. So unya cards edru number of I think 3 what the GFA status no can say the player should sit out in a game. So players me and say according to Emrano and according to Nshishayano, the next game Kotoko any Brekum Chelsea but because of almost cash accumulation, I reached the point of sitting out, out of the game. Frederick Asare, Enoch Morrison, and then in team menu. So this is the reason why probably next week almost say feature for Kotoko and Ebemo my ready for the next game Kotoko bebo home against Phobia me phobia for the minim say I bet you more show mo cry Brekum Chelsea game no and me 1 point but Kotoko boys na nze ball mo but enyam wa to meet back for win crab no mo dey ura house of folk a game no krobia ebe training ene omo ball no ebe recovery omo anya bia mo no be full training e wo Adakoja training center. Then the youth team no so we omo be training information I may pick no omo prepare some friendly games for them. Details as in when ebe ba me dey bro ofia.